Hi guys, thanks for stopping by Nancy's Homestead. Today I want to show you one way that you can make some money um, when you're turning your property into a homestead. So we bought this beautiful property um, a year ago now. We've been here 13 months. And actually we bought it 15 months ago, but it took us a couple months to move in. So this is our property, and we are clearing land. So we're taking down trees, and you can see some of them have already fallen down over here. And then we have some that need to come down. We've taken down quite a few that were leaning towards our house. So we are cleaning all this up. Back, well, there's a truck by my property. We are cleaning up back there and building my greenhouse, and we're extending our property back farther, making our lawn bigger. So in that process, we're taking down a lot of trees. So we're separating the wood from pine and hardwoods. And then we're going to turn around and we're going to sell the hardwoods and the pine for firewood. Now, you don't want to use pine in your wood stove or your fireplace inside. It makes too much creosote, but it's great for camping. And a lot of people go camping nowadays, and firewood, if you buy it from a campground, can get quite expensive. So we are separating it, and we're piling up the hardwood. And once we get a cord, I'm going to list it for sale, and it's not seasoned. We've just started piling it this year. So we're going to pile it all up and start selling it as green wood, and then we're gonna, if it doesn't all sell, next year we'll have seasoned wood and we'll be able to get a little bit more for it. Now in our area, this will go for $200 for a cord, unseasoned. It's got to be cut and split, but and should be length for a fireplace, which is under 22 inches. But it's a great way to make money. So if you're clearing down all these trees and you have the ability to do it yourself, or it depends who you're hiring. Some people will want the wood if they're cutting down the trees for you, but a lot of people don't want the hassle of lugging away your firewood and all your brush, because let me tell you, there is a lot of brush with every tree you take down. And I suggest you do what we did. We invested into a wood chipper so that we can use the wood chippings around our property. And we still have so much. I mean, just look at the brush that we have to still to clean up here. And there's more back there. There's a little squirrel. Can you see him? Little chipmunk. Busy getting himself ready for the winter as well. So we're trying to get as much of this cleaned up. But right now it's fall, and people are trying to stock up. They're filling their oil tanks, stocking up on firewood for the season. And it's a good time to sell firewood. So if you're cutting down your trees, don't just pay somebody to get rid of it. Sell it. And even if it's not seasoned because it's just been cut down, people will buy your green wood because they'll use it at the end of next year, whatever. They'll season it themselves if they can get it for a discount. If they're going to get it for $50 less, because a quart of seasoned wood here goes for between $2.50 and $2.75. You can get it $2.25, honestly. So I'm going to probably list that at $200 and take best offer. I might let it go for $175. Excuse me. Maybe even $150, depending on if I know the person. And they're going to come pick it up. So usually you sell a quart of wood, it's cut, split, and delivered. So if I get this cut and split and they pick it up, I'm happy with that. And I could deliver it, but I'm not doing that because we have so much to do ourselves moving this. So if you want to go ahead and deliver it, it'll give you a little bit more cash. But I just wanted to show you it's one way of doing that, of making a little bit of money when you're cleaning your property, turning your land into a homestead. So don't forget that, because you can take that money and turn it around. I'm going to buy fruit trees with the money that we're getting from the wood. Okay? Thanks for checking me out. Losing my voice here. Thanks for checking me out. Have a great day. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.